वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की जो वीडियो है वो एक प्रॉब्लम बेस्ड है। प्रॉब्लम का नाम है पाथ क्रॉसिंग। एक प्रॉब्लम को समझते हैं फिर इसको सॉल्व करेंगे। प्रॉब्लम के अंदर हमारे पास एक वेरिएबल अवेलेबल है पाथ, जो कि स्ट्रिंग टाइप का है, जिसमें हर एक इंडेक्स पे जो वैल्यू होगी वो या तो n होगी या s होगी या e होगी या w होगी। n मींस नॉर्थ, साउथ, ईस्ट, वेस्ट। सो हमारा जो ओरिजिन होगा वो 0 पॉइंट होगा, और अगर हमारा पाथ कहीं क्रॉस करता है तो हमें ट्रू या फॉल्स बताना है। अगर क्रॉस कर गया तो ट्रू, नहीं किया तो फॉल्स। फॉर एग्जांपल हमारे पास पाथ है जिसमें NES इसकी वैल्यू है, और हमें अगर इसको एक ग्रिड पे समझें तो 0 हमारा जो पोजीशन है वो ये होगी, और n अगर हमें एनकाउंटर हुआ तो हम नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन में 1 पॉइंट चलेंगे, E एनकाउंटर हुआ तो ईस्ट में 1 पॉइंट चलेंगे, S एनकाउंटर हुआ तो साउथ में 1 पॉइंट चलेंगे, और आफ्टर ट्रैवर्सिंग द एंटायर पाथ अगर हम किसी भी पॉइंट को किसी भी पॉइंट पे दोबारा नहीं आते हैं, दैट मींस हमने जिस पाथ को फॉलो किया है उसको अगर हम क्रॉस नहीं करते हैं तो हमारा आंसर होगा फॉल्स। और अगर हमने उसको फिर से ट्रैवर्स किया किसी पॉइंट को तो हमारा जो आंसर होगा वो होगा ट्रू। फॉर एग्जाम्पल इस एग्जाम्पल को समझते हैं। ये हमारा ग्रिड हो गया, हम 0 पोजीशन पे हैं। पहले एनकाउंटर हुआ M, तो हमने नॉर्थ में 1 पॉइंट किया, फिर E ईस्ट में 1 पॉइंट किया, साउथ में 1 पॉइंट किया। नाउ इट्स W, so we are going to the west side which takes us back to the origin point, and then here we know that we are traversing the same point again, so our output is true. Simple. So wherever we came to a same point again, that means that path is crossing, so we'll return true. Okay, if this thing is clear, let's solve this problem. So we have a function is path crossing. Path is the argument of type string, and we have to return a boolean variable. Now since it's a problem where we need to keep a track what all points we have covered, so we need to save them. So I am saying we have a type which is point, which is nothing but a struct, which is having x and y as integers, and we are saying we need a map of points, and this map of points is holding all the points that we have traversed. And what will be the key of this map? We'll say make a map of this point will be a key, and bool, it will be returning whether this point we have traversed or not. Since we are at the origin point, so origin will be by default we'll enter in this map of points. That means we'll simply create a point, not just one, I'll say as a P. P is a point with x as 0, comma y as 0, and it is, we'll insert that into the map of points as P equal to true. So our origin we have inserted into the map. Now we will traverse the path and see if it is crossing or not. Now we are saying n is nothing but the length of path. Now we are iterate over the entire path. We are saying for I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and we are simply saying, so in path I position could be n, s, e or w. We'll simply switch path of I. The case first is n. If it is n, case s. If it is s, case e. If it is e, case w. If it is w. In case of n, if we look at this position again, if we at the 0 we encountered n, we're going up. That means only y position is increasing, not the x1. So here, since the p is the origin, we are saying p dot y plus plus. Then we are saying if it is e, then we are going in the east side. Only x is incrementing, not the y. If it is e, then we are saying p dot x plus plus. If it is x, we are coming back, and then the y is decreasing, then p dot y minus minus. Similarly, if it is w, in w we are coming back and the x is decreasing, p dot x minus minus. Now, after this switch case, we have adjusted the either x or y position according to the character that we have encountered. We will check if map of points has this p. If map of points has this p, that means we have already traversed it. In that case, simply return true. Otherwise, if it is not there, we'll put it. We'll simply say map of points p is equal to true. Because even if we didn't find it, now we have traversed it and we are putting it as true. And after this for loop, if we do not return true, simply return false, because we have traversed the entire path and we didn't find any point that we have traversed twice. So that means there is no path crossing. That's why at the end return false. Simple. Let's reiterate over the solution one more time and then we'll wrap up this video. So we have a problem where we have a path string and every index is denoting either n, s, e or w, and our origin is 0, 0, and we have to return if the path crosses or not, where n is denoting going 1 point in north direction, s is denoting going 1 point in the south, and e going 1 point in the east and going 1 in the west by w. In the solution part, we have taken a map of point and bool. In this map, we are keeping all the points that we have traversed, and we are denoting that point with this structure where this point has two properties, x and y, of both integer type, and we are keeping the origin, the 0, 0 position by default in this map, and then we are iterating over the entire path here. And at any point, if we find a point twice, then we are simply returning true, that yes, the path is crossing. And after iterating the entire path, if we didn't find any point at the end, we are returning false. So that's all for this solution. I hope you guys understood. Please mention your doubts in the comments. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.